Deuteronomy 20 and verse 4 declares, "For the Lord your God is the one who goes with you to fight against your enemies to give you victory." Go check it out. Deuteronomy 20 and verse 4. Alright. So yes, Deuteronomy 20 verse 4. Oh, wait. Me know that one, yeah. It say, the Lord, gonna be the one. He gonna fight. He gonna walk with me. He gonna carry me. He gonna fight against all the enemies, the friend enemies, the one that don't mean you no good, right? He gonna fight against your enemies so that you and me could have the victory. What? Deuteronomy 20 verse 4. Alright, you better check it out. I got to share this one. Deuteronomy 20 verse 4. Check it out, man. Check it out.